How to create a group chat on IMO for your family, friends, classmates, or work team. I'll show you the fastest way to set it up in just a few simple steps. First, open the IMO app on your phone or tablet. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top right corner and tap the people icon. On the next page, tap New Group. Now choose whether you want to create a public group or a private group. For this tutorial, I'll select Private Group. Next, tap the circle next to each contact you want to add to your group. You can select as many people as you want. When you're finished, tap the blue check mark at the bottom of the screen. Your new group has now been created. If you want to give it a custom name, tap the group name at the top of the chat. Then tap the pencil icon in the top right corner. Type your new group name. When you're done, tap the check mark in the top right corner to save it. That's it. Your IMO group chat is now ready, and everyone you selected has been added. If this tutorial helped you create your group successfully, subscribe for more quick and easy IMO, WhatsApp, and social media tutorials. You can now tap the message box at the bottom of the screen and start chatting with your group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.